Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Chron Solarsoft skateboarding shoes, and this pair is in the UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the light dew white colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the light dew white colorway. And let's lift it out from the box. And taking a first and quick initial look and doing a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear view of this Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. And just setting the box to the side so we can just focus on this left shoe first. So giving you an overall look at the shoe. So you can see that it does have a low profile, low top design. And taking a close-up look at the details of the shoe. You can see the familiar Chron design with the canvas panel in the midfoot area and suede panels throughout the other parts of the shoe. And taking a look from the back and heel area to give you some idea of the silhouette and shape of the shoe. And looking at the inner side. And once again back at the front. And taking a close-up look from the front to the back. So we can see that there is an extra rubber bumper around the front or toe area. And moving from the front or toe box with its suede panel with short nap, and moving through to the midfoot area with the suede eye stays and traditional lacing, and towards the tongue with the Nike SB branding. And inside we can see the Solarsoft insole or sock liner with the blue Solarsoft border around the cup or edges of that insole. And taking a look and feel of the ankle and heel collar with its light to medium level of padding, as you can see me just squeezing around the heel and ankle collar. And taking a look inside the shoe and just popping out the stuffing and of course the inside sticker that's come off slightly and attached itself to the laces, but that's just fine. And taking a look behind the tongue as the familiar Nike branding information and literature, and of course taking a look inside we can see the light dew colorway or coloring on the insole or sock liner, and that Solarsoft branded insole, and inner labels as well, of course. And to give you some idea of the padding as well for the tongue, nice and fluffy and light. And once again, taking some close-up looks around the sides of the shoe. You can see the canvas texture as well as the leather Nike swoosh in white. And of course the heel area or heel counter does have a suede panel. And we can see the white midfoot vulcanized sole just going right around the shoe, and of course mentioned earlier is that extra bumper around the toe area for extended durability, and of course the suede panel around the toe box with that very fine and short nap. Same goes with the eye stays, and once again that heel panel as well. It's right there giving you a full view of this Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. And we can see that there is no Solarsoft rubber patch on the heel area. Sometimes they have it and sometimes they don't. And now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe, and taking some close-up looks as well. So rubber with that starburst radial design from the ball of the foot, and once again that Nike swoosh around the heel area. So starburst like design or pattern on the outsole tread, and to give you some idea of the texture and response of the material, which is rubber, just dragging my finger along the surface and pressing down as well to give you some idea right there as to the firmness or softness and pliability of the sole. And now let's do a flex and bend test and twist test with my hands to give you some idea of the response and movement and pliability of the shoe. So right there you can see that it is nice and soft and moves really fluidly right there with the canvas midfoot panel, and of course the suede panels at the front and rear for extra durability. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down and bringing the box to the center, and let's peel back the wrapping paper once again and lifting out the right shoe, the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in light dew white. So now taking a look at the right shoe. So once again, the same familiar styling that we saw with the left shoe, and giving you once again that full view and look and close-up details as well with its light colorway in the light dew white. And taking a look at the outsole or bottom of the shoe once again. The same familiar starburst herringbone style tread pattern. And of course, the Solarsoft sock liner or insole. And doing a 360 rotation with this right shoe. So you have, once again, a full view of its overall design. And now let's take a look at the pair together, side by side. And from the front to the back, so just lining them up right next to each other. And from the toe front. And towards the rear and heel of the shoe or pair of shoes. And of course, the bottoms as well. So that's the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!